If you've ever tried to automate work with Claude, you've probably run into the same problem most people do. You ask the AI to do something, it works once, and then the next time it gives you a slightly different result, or it forgets part of the instructions entirely. That inconsistency is exactly why skills exist. A Claude skill is essentially a reusable how-to manual for the AI. Instead of relying on a long prompt every time, you package up detailed instructions and even supporting resources so Claude knows exactly how to perform a specific task. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, how to identify good candidates for skills, how to ask Claude to help you build one, and how to test and refine it so it runs consistently. I'll also show you a real example of a skill I use to generate YouTube chapters from a video transcript, so I don't have to rewrite the same instructions every single time. Let's get started. Note that you'll get the best results by creating and using Claude Skills through the Cowork tab in the desktop application. However, for simple skills like the one I'm creating today, which likely won't require any code, it's fine to access Claude through your browser. Whichever you use, the process will be the same. Let's get into creating our first skill together. When you log in, you'll see a screen like this, and if you navigate to the left, you'll be able to see this Customize button. Click on the toolbox to begin customizing and having access to your skills and connectors. Click on Skills, and you'll see an example of a whole bunch of different skills here that come preloaded inside of Claude. There's an MCP example, there's internal communications, other things that you can use as reference. But today we're going to focus on the Skills Creator skill. Yes, there is a skill to create new skills. Inside of this skills menu, we're going to click on this plus button and select Create with Claude. This is essentially Claude's assistant to help you create more skills. You'll see that there's a pre-filled prompt that Claude writes for you. It says, let's create a skill together using the Skill Creator skill. And it's telling Claude to ask me, the user, what the skill should do. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Send. Now Claude is reading the Skill Creator skill to figure out what it should ask you. So now we're going to go back and forth with Claude, and we're just going to describe what it is we want. And when it's possible, you really want to provide examples and references in the form of files or really long things that you copy and paste. That's fine. If you're not sure what to build, you could open up another Claude chat to discuss your workflow, and Claude will help you determine what steps make for good skills. This is a very common pattern, using one chat to suss out your ideas and then another chat to build something that you want to reuse permanently. So in my example, I'm going to ask Claude to help me create a skill to create YouTube chapters from a video transcript. So I have a prompt here that I'm just going to paste in, and then I have some files that I want to reference. So I'm going to go here to add files or photos, and in my desktop, I'm going to add both of these things. These agent mode chapters and agent mode transcripts. I'm going to open both of those, and we'll see that both are attached. They're short text files, which is fine. And I'm going to click on this send button again, and we'll see what happens. Perfect. This is a well-scoped skill with clear inputs and outputs. Let me review the sample files and draft a new skill. Now we have a result. And to the right, the skills.md file actually pops up here, and we can read it. We can see exactly the skill that Claude generated based on our simple prompt and the files that we gave it. We have the description at the top, and this is what Claude uses and loads in every session to figure out if this is the right skill to use for something that you're asking for. And we have this copy to skills button, which will actually let us add this skill to our library. But first, let's just walk through this skill MD file and see what's in here. So we have the description, we have the YouTube chapter skill, we have some rules, which are really helpful, and the process. So this process would be step 1, parse the transcript, 2, identify the topic shifts, 3, assign timestamps, 4, write chapter titles, and 5, output. And it gives an example of the output. This is critical. And then there's some notes. Awesome. So if I wanted to add to this, I absolutely could, but for now, we're just gonna use the default skill that Claude gave us, and we're gonna copy this to our skills so we can actually test it with another real transcript. Added it to our skills, and now we can manage. So now I have a new skill called YouTube chapters. So if I wanted to use this skill, how do I actually do it? The easiest way is just going to go to this plus button up top to open a new chat, or Shift Command O if you're on a Mac. That's going to pull up a new chat window. And now we can say, use the YouTube chapter skills to parse this transcript. And now we'll add this new transcript. Let's see if it can do it. Reading the YouTube chapter skill. Awesome. And here we are. We actually have the chapters outlined in a copy and pastable format. This is going to save my content team a ton of time. These types of skills that you can create by, in this case, just using 3 words, the YouTube chapter skill, saves you the whole context of that whole prompt, those instructions, those examples. Now we can reuse this for every single YouTube video that we produce. Man, this is super powerful and why Claude skills are a big deal. If you're interested in using AI like Claude to automate real business workflows, not just one-off prompts, that's exactly the kind of work we do at XRAY. At XRAY, we help teams design and implement automations built with AI and the software your team already uses every day. That could mean building custom workflows, integrating systems, or creating things like Claude Skills that consistently handle repetitive tasks. The goal isn't just experimenting with AI. It's turning it into a reliable infrastructure for your business. So if you're looking to streamline processes, eliminate manual work, or build smarter AI-powered workflows, check out xray.tech to learn more about what we can do for you. My quick test turned out fine, but if you'd like to be totally sure that everything is formatted correctly, you may want to give everything a second pass with the Skill Creator skill. If the front matter isn't formatted right, or if the body of the skill isn't written correctly, your skill might not run very consistently. And I'll actually do this part with Claude Cowork in the desktop app. That will give Claude a more robust ability to write and execute code for its test. I'll write a simple prompt and we'll see what happens. All right, so Claude is now finished testing my skill. Looking at Claude's response, we can see that it did a lot to accomplish my request. It reviewed the skill, it created test cases, it ran several full tests, including a comparison between baseline Claude and Claude using the YouTube chapter skill. And it summarized those benchmarks in this HTML doc. This isn't just an LLM stringing together words that sound good. This is thorough programmatic work to check and improve the quality of the skill. It's why I would recommend using the Claude desktop app if you can. Based on its results, the skill looks good. Claude offers a few recommendations for clarifying the instructions and handling some edge cases like hour-long videos in different transcript formats. I'll tell it to make some updates to handle those situations. Once you've run through all your tests and revisions with Claude, be sure to save the skill to update it. In 2026, AI can do more than ever, but simple prompts often aren't enough to produce the results you need. With Claude Skills, you can give Claude specific instructions to reliably complete your tasks exactly the way you want it. And you can set it all up through a quick conversation with Claude. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company XRAY by searching for XRAY Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go, so until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.